If you're searching for a delightful and uncomplicated indoor gardening endeavor, look no further. Using toilet paper rolls to plant sprouted popcorn kernels is an innovative and eco-friendly gardening idea. Not only does it provide a biodegradable container for the seeds, but it also allows for easy transplanting once the seedlings are ready to be moved into the garden. Plus, the cardboard material of the toilet paper rolls can help retain moisture and promote healthy root growth. So next time you're looking for a fun and sustainable way to start your garden, why not give this method a try? In this instructional video, we will guide you through each stage of the process for successfully starting your popcorn seedlings indoors. We will provide detailed steps and tips to ensure that your popcorn plants get off to a great start and thrive in an indoor environment. Follow along as we show you the necessary actions to take to nurture your seedlings until they are ready to be transferred outdoors for continued growth. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and confidence to successfully cultivate your own popcorn plants from seeds right in the comfort of your home. To successfully start your own indoor popcorn plant, make sure to gather clean toilet paper rolls, and you will need high-quality seed starting soil. Good quality seed starting soil will offer the necessary nutrients for the plants to thrive and grow. The quality of the soil plays a crucial role in providing the necessary nutrients and optimal conditions for seeds to sprout and thrive. Fill each paper roll with the seed starting soil to the half. This will create ample room for the sprouted popcorn seeds to establish robust root systems, allowing them to thrive and develop into healthy plants. With your finger, gently press the soil to ensure it's compact. Now carefully place 1 to 3 sprouted popcorn kernel into each roll with the sprout facing up. This will help it grow towards the light. By planting many sprouted popcorn seeds into the paper roll, you will raise your chance of success. After placing the sprouted popcorn seeds, cover them with more soil until the roll is nearly full, leaving about ½ an inch from the top. Lightly water the soil, being careful not to overwater. The soil should be moist but not soggy. Next, find a sunny spot in your home to place your seed starters. A windowsill is ideal. Make sure the rolls are getting at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Keep the soil moist and watch as your popcorn plants begin to grow. You'll see little green leaves emerge within a few days. Once your popcorn plants are a few inches tall, you can transplant them into larger containers or directly into your garden. And there you have it. Growing sprouted popcorn and toilet paper rolls is a fun and easy way to bring a little greenery into your home. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Let's grow a community of indoor gardeners together.